Grasses make up most of an elephant's daily diet. This means that on most days, elephants travel to find clearings or open fields at the edge of forests where grasses are plentiful. They spend hours of each day gathering grasses with their trunks, sometimes also arranging it with their feet, and then pounding it in order to get rid of dirt before putting it into their mouths. But elephants cannot maintain good health or even survive on grass alone. Like most herbivores, elephants depend on beneficial bacteria that produce necessary enzymes inside their digestive systems. Enzymes that are able to break down the cellulose in plant cells and convert it to a source of energy for the elephants. In a way, the elephant is really feeding the bacteria in its digestive system, which in turn feeds the elephant. But neither these bacteria nor the elephant itself can live on energy alone. Just like us, they also need a minimal level of protein in their diet. And this presents quite a challenge to the elephant because grasses and leaves are a poor source of protein. This means that an elephant must often search for plants that are in their active growing stage, because new leaf buds and growing stems have more protein than mature plants. And it is not just the search for protein alone that moves elephants away from the plentiful grasslands. There are other necessary nutrients, calcium, magnesium, and so on, that elephants also need in their diet. We don't have to infer that the elephants understand nutrition in a conscious way. It is just that they have a taste for certain plant species, and that is enough to drive them to gather in the appropriate foods. To satisfy their needs, elephants usually move a great deal each day, seeking out and eating small amounts of many different plant species. It is not unusual for a family group to wander 10 miles per day, and naturalists have counted 112 different plant species that elephants consume at one time or the other. They live very long lives and appear to remember locations of desirable plant species from year to year, and even from decade to decade. By leading the groups from place to place, the older elephants gradually pass this knowledge down to the younger ones.